Go ye therefore, teach all nations. Go, go, go. Go ye therefore and teach all nations. Go, baptizing them in the name of the Father and Son and Holy Ghost. Go, go, if you love me, really love me, feed my sheep. If you love me, really love me, feed my sheep. Teach all nations. Go, go, go. Go ye therefore, teach all nations. Go, go, go. Baptizing them in the name of the Father and Son and Holy Ghost. Go, go, go. If you really love me, feed my sheep. If you